Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, we are doing 12 days of Christmas giveaways, and today we are on day 4, and our sponsor for today's video is Coffee Creatives KE. They are an online home decor shop, mostly on IG, and I'm going to take you through their page and see what kind of items that they stock. And the good thing is they're having a clearance sale at the moment, so if you're interested in anything that they'll be stocking, it will be a good time to take advantage of their clearance sale. So without wasting more time, let's get into their page. So the page is called Coffee Creatives KE, and they are an online home decor shop, mostly on IG, and we're going to go through their page and see the kind of items that they are stocking. So from the page you can tell that you can get some 4 flowers, you can get some trays to decorate your coffee table. This can go on top of your dressing table, vanity table. There's a lot of places where you can style the tray. And then we have more trays, some with the rattan, and you know that it is something that is trendy right now. We have this ceramic vase, which is very cute, and if you're more on the minimalist side, this could be the perfect addition to your space. And also you can get some eucalyptus that go perfect with this kind of vase. They do sell some coffee table books. We have some rattan posters. We have the garland, and this is something that is so trendy at the moment. You can style this on your coffee table, around your coffee table books. You can also do this on your shelf. So this is quite a versatile thing, and it's so trendy. If you want a classy alarm clock to be waking you up in the morning, this is a place to go to. And you can tell from the page they have very good items, and their feed is so beautiful. It's something that you're going to be in love with. And you can see the kind of figurines that they have. This is something so beautiful, and you can do this on your shelf. Also you can create a veneer using this figurine. And then we have the item that they will be giving away. They will be giving away this embossing label maker for your pantry. So if you want to be organized, you want to get spices in your pantry or jars in your pantry organized in terms of labeling, or even you're organizing baskets, you can use this label maker. And this is a very easy way of you using it. And so the label maker comes in 2 different types. You can get one in black and then the other one clear. And this is a good way if you want to just be organized and have a system of doing stuff in your place. This is the perfect thing for you. So if you're interested in getting this label maker, make sure you comment down in the comment section below that you're interested in having it. And I'll be announcing the winner tomorrow morning as I post another video with yet another giveaway. May the odds be in your favor. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.